Hi everybody, it's Wendy Lee, and today I am here with a swap. I have an incoming swap. This is from the Paper Art Swaps group, which I will leave down below. It's a Facebook group where we do swaps on a pretty regular basis. There's usually like a few a month that you can participate in. And I ended up getting paired up with Lisa. Lisa does not have a YouTube or an Instagram, so I won't be linking her below, unfortunately, but like I said, I'll link the group below. And I wish I would have filmed her swap before it went out. I totally forgot. What we swapped was 2 Pokey tools and a Maggie Holmes mini book. So I've already opened up the box of what she sent to me. So look how cute it's packaged. So let's see what we got going on here. Lots of pretty paper. What are these called again? Why whenever I get on camera I can never remember the name of these things? I want to call it scrap, but it's not that. Okay. So first up we have some beautiful butterfly stickers. Love those. And we have this this bag here. Let me pull this back a little bit. I'm gonna move this forward. This bag here with this beautiful bow on it. So let's see what's in here. And in here we have, oh my gosh, how cute. Oh my gosh, she made so many tags. How cute. Oh, oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, this one's so cute. Oh my gosh, I love that little bird cage. I love how she put that around the flowers. Wow, these are so pretty. I think these are the Dollar Tree stickers, if I'm not mistaken, those gold puffy ones. Oh, look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, I love these. These are beautiful. And look at this little book, The Sweet Life. Oh my gosh, how cute. That is so cute. I love that. Oops. Oh, I love this one right here. That's so pretty. So many cute little tags and banners and all kinds of little goodies. Love it, love it. Okay, next we have this little package. Oh, how pretty. So this is the Maggie Holmes little mini book. So cute. Okay, let's see. How do we open this? I don't want to ruin it. Okay, what do I do to open? Oh, it's okay. I see that it's Velcroed. Okay. I was like, how am I going to open this without ruining it? Oh, how pretty. It says cherish. Excuse me. Oh, I love that. And I love the little hearts. Oh, let's see what we got in here. Oh my gosh, she sent so many little cute things. Oh, she sent some of the, I think these are Maggie Holmes, the little heart paper clips. So cute. And some little flower charms. And is this washi tape? No, this is paper, I think. Look at these stickers. How cute. Oh my gosh, I love those little birds. And then all kinds of little ephemera and Oh, how cute. Embellishments. I love these little hearts. They're so pretty. Oh, these are stickers. Oh, I love that bow. Cute. Oh, I love these. Oh my gosh, she fussy cut these. So cute. Oh my gosh, I love this little greenhouse. Both of these little greenhouses. So cute. Oh, I love it. Okay, let's see. We've got another box here. I'm going to put this to the side. My gosh, I love how she did her box. We've got this box here. Oh my gosh, look how pretty this is. Wow, look how pretty that is. And look how she did that dragonfly, and then she put the beads all the way down it. That's so pretty. I'm gonna move this box out of the way because it's kind of like in my way. Oops, there's a couple of envelopes in there. Oh, there's one more. Hold on, guys. I want to make sure I don't miss anything. Okay. Oh my gosh. She made so many flowers and so many little dangles. Oh my gosh. Am I a loser? Did I send her enough stuff? Oh my gosh, look at these. These are so cute. They're made out of cupcake liners. How pretty. I'm doing a summer swap, so I'm going to send some of these to my buddy. Look how cute those are. Oh my gosh, those are so adorable. Oh, and here's her Pokey tool. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Look at that. Look at those pretty polymer clay beads. I love those purple spacers. The flowers. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Love that big acrylic crackle bead. Absolutely beautiful. So pretty. Love that. And here is a pink one. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Let's see. Oh, I love how she did the charm on it, because you can take it off and like put it on your purse or your wallet, or, you know, just hang it somewhere like your planner, or you can keep it on your Pokey tool. Awesome idea to do it that way. Look how pretty those are. So I thought she had made me a bunch of dangles, but it was actually part of the Pokey tools. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Love it. Absolutely love it. And then here is the rest of the flowers. Oh my gosh. And it looks like she homemade this box. Wow. Oh my gosh. So many cute, pretty things. Thank you so much, Lisa. I'm going to put this to the side so we can open the envelopes. Let's see here. We'll open this one. Look at the cute little butterflies and the swan. Oh, she's so sweet. She was like, I hope you enjoy everything I sent you, friend. Have a great day. So here we have an envelope. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful that is. Wow, that is so pretty. I love those little gems she used. And oh my gosh, it's just a really nice card. She just made a really nice blank card, which is so nice. She probably knows that I am terrible at sending cards, and she was like, let me help this girl out and just make her some cards so she can send cards in her swaps and thank people for swapping with her. Oh, how pretty. Look at that. I love that. I love that house. Look at the swans. How pretty. And this is probably blank as well. Yes. Oh my gosh. Thank you. I needed cards so bad. Now I have to send cards. Okay. And then we've got one more. Oh, it's baby deer. I don't know if I'm going to send this one. I love baby deer. They're my favorite. I'm going to send this card to myself. No one's getting it. And let's see. Yeah, it's blank. Oh my gosh, that was the best. Thank you so much, Lisa. What a great swap. I feel like I did not send you enough stuff, or I did not make you enough stuff. I hope you love everything I sent you. I'm just bummed out that I totally forgot to make a video. I was just trying to hurry up and get all those beads made for the giveaway that I did. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.